whoever's saying it, but here, or when I say challenge really means kind of ongoing.
My name is Dave Rossi. I've been at IBM for about 17 years, and I've been in mainframe my whole career, and right now I'm a systems architect. So what I do is I work with clients to help architect mainframe-based solutions. And recently I've been getting involved more and more with the ecosystem, because that's where a lot of the corporations are starting to invest their time. So a lot of the clients here are existing customers, and some of them are new customers or thinking about investing or maybe deploying Linux on System Z, and they come here to learn more about the platform, and then they also come here to get ideas what other folks are doing and also to get updates. So at this council, what we try to do is we try to focus on the latest stuff, what's coming, where the visions are going, and so we spend a lot of our time on, maybe stuff that's not 100% GA, but about to. So that's what I like to focus the council on. Well, I know that I'm not allowed to talk specifics, but early next year we're going to be announcing a new Z box. And I think there's also going to be a new Linux One box along with that. So that's going to be an exciting event that's going to be coming up next year. Well, I think it was fabulous that the Open Mainframe project was here. It was represented in force by probably about 10 or 11 folks. And I think the vision of starting to leverage the Linux Foundation and all the benefits, starting to talk to all the other projects within the Linux Foundation and start to talk to them about the value of the platform, the scalability of the platform. Folks have been focused on the commodity, small servers for so long, but I think there's a realization in the market now that there is a place for these, high-end servers. And I think as the mainframe project, evolves, these participants can get involved in the other projects within the Linux Foundation. So I think that's going to be very beneficial. I also think it's neat that we had MongoDB here, because MongoDB is a very popular NoSQL database. And what they basically presented today is that MongoDB is MongoDB. It's the same on all platforms, but they are starting to see requirements for scale-up architectures. And that's what we have on the Z platform. So I think there's some exciting things coming down. Also, today we talked about the Linux Cloud Community Server for Developers. Really exciting that now, if you just do a Google search on IBM Linux One Community Cloud, you're going to get a link that you can get your own Linux on System Z system, self-service. You can just select, what distribution you want, what version you want, and then you have it. And then there's also links to a lot of the open source projects that IBM's been supporting. So you can just download the code and you can get started on Linux on System Z today with no investment. So I think those were some really great highlights for today.